Hello guys, Eric Were here. Welcome again to another brand new video on Lifeversity, and in this video I'm going to share with you why resilience is the main ingredient in the recipe of success. If you are new here on Lifeversity, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. If there is one major ingredient in the recipe of success, it's got to be resilience. Call it grit, call it persistence, call it stubbornness, call it whatever suits your demeanor. To achieve anything worthwhile in life, you have to name your price and pay it fully. You know, life will throw every test there is at you just to test whether you are ready to pay the price for whatever you are striving to achieve in life. Before you can achieve any accolades, life will throw limitless tests at you in a bid to see if you are willing to pay the price for success. In the midst of all the tests that life will fling at you, only resilience will help you to outlast and eventually overcome. To be successful, you must have a certain degree of stubbornness. You must be ready to claim what is yours and stand your ground. Life will be there to challenge you. Are you willing to outlast the challenge? Any high achiever in life can testify that life is brutal to those who can't stand their ground. Life is ruthless and unrelenting to he who throws into the towel at the slightest appearance of difficulty. On the other hand, life is rewarding to he who stands his ground. Life is generous to he who is resilient. Life is afraid of he who never gives up. To threaten life and squeeze out everything that is rightfully yours, you've got to stand your ground. You've got to name your price. After naming your price in terms of your goals, you've got to be willing to pay the price. Nothing is easy. That is why nobody wants nothing. Only failures take the easy path. I believe you are carved out to be a winner, not a failure. Here is what happens when you name your price and stand your ground. 1. The entire universe conspires to help you. God and his angels smile at anyone who takes the courage to write down their goals in life. That is why the entire universe has nothing to do than conspire to help he who claims his rightful share from Mother Nature. Ask any high achiever and you will understand the depth of this truth. The universe tends to favor those who stand their ground in pursuit of their dreams. The biggest way the universe conspires to help them is through provision. As long as you are out there pursuing your dreams, you will find provision for everything you need. This is a personal testimony. The biggest mistake 90% of people make is to just sit around waiting for provision first before taking action. The universe tends to work in reverse. You have to take action first to reveal your faith before God decides to throw himself on your side. The main question is, are you willing to take the first step even though you can't see the entire staircase? The moment you lift up your faith by taking the first step, regardless of what is before you, you will be able to lift up faith and suppress fear. The moment you suppress fear through faith, the entire universe will conspire to see to it that you achieve anything you want. Number 2, you gain strength to overcome when you stand your ground and claim your share out of Mother Nature. Another important thing that happens to him who claims his share out of life and stands his ground is that the universe supplies him with strength to overcome any challenge. As long as you have the inner strength to overcome any challenge that life flings at you, you will eventually prevail at anything. As Waldo Emerson, one of my favorite authors, once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. When you name your prize and boldly stand your ground, a higher power activates your inner creative juices to develop solutions to any problems that mushroom on your way. This great power is only activated when you first name your prize, take action, and stand your ground even in the face of failure. Here is a personal testimony of how I applied the lesson I'm sharing with you today in my personal life. Personally, when I started this channel, Liveversity, back in November 2019, I had to claim my share. My goal was simple. All I wanted was to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours in 1 year in order to join the YouTube partnership program. I knew the goal was enormous. Many have given it a shot and failed over and over. I decided to apply the only ingredient I'm sharing with you in this video, that is resilience. In the midst of negative comments from doubters, I kept my head up. One video after another, one message after another. I kept the momentum. I kept the faith. I didn't know how I was gonna hit the bull's eye, but I knew as long as I stood the ground, the universe will conspire to help me achieve my dream. To cut the long story short, I successfully joined the YouTube partnership program on 26th of May 2020. All glory be to God. Provision came in ways I could never imagine when I staked my claim. Help came from sources I never imagined. I didn't know how I will be able to clock the 4,000 view hours and the 1,000 subscribers, but 3 months down the line, I had already reached the 1,000 subscribers. And then 3 more months down the line, I have been able to gain the 4,000 view hours. And now I'm officially a YouTube partner and I can now monetize my videos. So whichever goal you are planning to achieve in life, whichever dream you have in your head, you have to write it down and go all out to achieve it. The moment you take action, the entire universe will kick in to help you. When the universe kicked in, I knew God and his angels were smiling at me. I knew I was on the right path. The mere revelation that God was on my side gave me the inspiration to keep going. That is why I am here to share this vital lesson with you. It is just the beginning. More is on the way. Here is the key. It doesn't matter how big your goals are. We are all called to think big. As they say, it shall be done according to your faith. The bigger you can think, the more you will achieve. All that is needed from your end is to activate your faith by taking action and remaining resilient even in the face of failure. Do not wait for inspiration before you can take action. Just start moving. Just keep moving. Inspiration will come along as you keep accomplishing milestones. As you give your best, as you gain the momentum, inspiration will kick in to keep you going to the next level, from glory to glory, from one level to another. That is all I wanted to share with you, just a personal inspiration story of how I was able to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours in 1 year, but I've smashed that goal in 6 months, and I'm really excited, and I really believe it can inspire you. Whichever goal you have, you can go at it head on and be able to take the first step, regardless of the fact that you can't see the entire staircase. Provision will definitely kick in along the way. I will share more with you on how I got my YouTube channel monetized in less than 7 months in the next videos. That's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video where I will be sharing another amazing topic. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Do it now. That is the only thing I can ask for. If you found massive value from this video, kindly hit that like button. Until next time, stay safe and may God bless you.